At Rescon Basement Solutions, we've always been driven by one mission: protecting homes and the families within them. Now, as we join forces with Groundworks, that mission grows stronger. One vision, one mission. Rescon Basement Solutions decided to join Groundworks because of the alignment we had with the culture, the philosophy, the mission.
With Groundworks and Rescon combining forces, we'll all be working towards the same mission.
The biggest limitation that Rescon has is the financial limitations. Groundworks will bring a financial backing to the table that will really help Rescon grow to the level that we really want it to grow to.
With Groundworks, we'll be adding new services, we'll be adding concrete lifting, piering, so many more products that we could offer to everybody around New England.
What Groundworks brings is resources, both from marketing, lead generation, call centers, equipment. The list is endless. This partnership immediately takes us from where we are to being the major dominant force in the New England market that we know we can be.
The most exciting part about the partnership with Groundworks is the opportunity that it's going to provide.
This partnership is necessary for us to get to that next level and grow to be that #1 company in New England.
What excites me the most about this partnership with Rescon is the ability to move right into the heart of New England with a great brand, with great teammates, to dominate and expand all throughout New England to serve the great customers in that market.
The employees will benefit in the level of opportunities that will be presented to them. World-class training, access to equipment, the ability to be promoted, move where they want to move.
I think the guys will be very happy with the opportunities for compensation and the bonus programs.
We grant ownership to every employee in our company. It puts every employee in Groundworks on the path to financial freedom.
It's going to open up a world of opportunities and the ability to make your family more financially stable and further on your career.
I'm excited to see the future and what it holds and seeing what we're capable of doing as a bigger company.
We'll have more resources. We'll be able to serve the client in a faster and more efficient way.
This is an amazing opportunity for each and every one of us. We have always been Rescon strong, and now we're going to be Rescon stronger.
There's a whole new world at your fingertips, working for the biggest and best waterproofing and foundation repair company in North America.